If you're dreaming of becoming your own boss, but don't have a huge budget to start, then this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 10 low-investment business ideas with high profit. Number 1. Print-on-demand store. In this business, you don't need inventory, a warehouse, or a huge team. Just upload cool designs to sites like Printify or Teespring, and they'll print and ship for you. You just focus on marketing. The margins can be surprisingly great. Number 2. Freelance Services. Are you good at writing, design, or video editing? Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer your skills. No product costs, just you, your talent, and your laptop. Number 3. Reselling thrifted items. Go to local Goodwills, yard sales, or Facebook Marketplace. Flip vintage clothing, electronics, or furniture on eBay or Poshmark. Small investment, big return. Number 4. Social media management. Many small businesses have zero idea how to handle Instagram or TikTok. Offer to manage their profiles. You can charge $500 to $2,000 a month per client, even as a beginner. Number 5. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, planners. Create them once and sell forever on Etsy or Gumroad. The best part? No shipping, no storage, and pure passive income. Number 6. Dropshipping Store. With platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, you don't even touch the product. Find trending items, build a store, and run Facebook or TikTok ads. Start with as little as $200. Number 7. House cleaning business. Start locally. All you need is some supplies, flyers, and a good work ethic. Cleaning services are always in demand, and you can scale quickly. Number 8. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals? Use apps like Rover to start today. People will pay well for someone to love and care for their pets while they're away. Number 9. Airbnb CoHosting. You don't need to own a property to make money on Airbnb. Help hosts manage their listings, cleaning, bookings, guest communication, and get a cut of the profit. And number 10. Mobile car wash. Minimal tools, big demand. People love the convenience. Market to your neighborhood, offer packages, and upsell detailing services. Remember, success doesn't require a ton of cash. It requires smart thinking and execution. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and let me know in the comments, which idea are you most excited to try?